Okay, so I just wanted to kind of go over this little whiskey stick real quick while I'm in the setup. For those of you that haven't used one, that is what it looks like. And what it does, it uses the magnets to hold it in place as you run your torch by it. So the way that I do it, the way I was taught is, so you tilt it down to where the magnets ain't like 100% on. And then what you do is as it's tipped over, you just kind of tap it over to where it lines up with your mark on both ends, just kind of like you would for a square. And then you raise it up, and then that's where it should be. But I always like to move you around here. There we go. So I always like to take my torch and run it and see. And you see right there, it looks like I actually need to, because I like to cut on the outside of the line if I can. And so here I'm like right in the middle of the line. So what I will do is I will actually take it. Sometimes I'll just kind of tap it over until I feel like it's where I want it. And then do like a trial run and just make sure it's right where I need it. Well, I thought I had everything all situated. The jack stand was not under it. I thought it was. And luckily, that little tab there is what kept it from falling to the ground. So I thought I had everything checked out, but it worked out the way it did. So anyways, could have been a lot worse. And I triple check. All right, everyone, thank you for watching.